Okay, we just had rain a few days ago, and I was about to go check our weir again. It was a light rain, misting, not much, but I wanted to show you this. This is really cool. This field looks like pretty much any other field you see next to the roadside. I just came across the rail to come check it, and I looked down, and I saw these little structures all over the grass. See that? The grass is encapsulated in soil. You'll see it everywhere through here. This whole field has the grass encapsulated in soil. This is not a natural phenomenon caused by grass. This is in fact caused by termites. They will build their casings around the grass, from what I understand. They will build it so they can stay moist and in their own environment and habitat. These are very pencil-like structures. They cover the grass just enough. Let me show you what that does. They just crumble on contact. But they are indeed hollow tubes. Crumbly. They were created and they attach down to chambers that go into the soil. Termites live in the soil. They don't live in one spot like ants. The colony moves constantly. This colony moved through this area very rapidly, or very large quantities, I should say. You see the soil coverings everywhere they were at. Pretty interesting. You could have termites in one area, a piece of land, and they will move to another area as they travel through the soil, consuming food that is there for them. Over here closer to the drainage ditch, you'll find also the same situation going on here. More encased soil there. Evidence of termites around here. This area is heavily in termites, even though there's a limestone base underneath the soil. This soil here, there next to the road, was built up by man for the road and the construction areas. This whole field is literally littered with the encapsulated grass, and this is really cool if you look at it, because this is three-dimensional sculpting at its best, done by nature. Very cool. Very nice to see. Hollow inside. Very fragile is also. You can see inside there. I can see probably better than you can with this camera. But very nice. Example of what insects can do in mass colonies. And this whole field, like I said, is covered in these type of structures over the grass and soil. They come forward, come out of the soil everywhere. Termites are an interesting creature. They chew up and eat the fibrous cellulose out of plants. If you look through here, you'll see more structures as I walk along. They are everywhere. The cellulose is a good food for them. We cannot consume it ourselves as easily. We don't have the bacteria in our guts to digest cellulose. They do. I'm looking to see if we come across any other structures. Looks like the structures we found are probably a quarter acre of land back there. Doesn't appear to be more down this direction. Termites can destroy your home too and eat several pounds of wood a day. Now, it appears that we've gotten into more of a grassy area. They don't seem to be here, taller grasses in this particular spot. They may at one time be, but currently the colony seems to be further back. If you look up termites online, you'll find their scientific names. I'm not sure I got into that. I'm not very good with scientific names. I just like to study and look at them. I'll get into it more when I have more time. Put a little blips beneath this later. Anyway, that's the video for today. I'm going to do my job.